All right, so yesterday I had my math assessment, right? It's like this governmental thing that you need to do in what, I think it was grade 5, grade 7, and grade 10 and 12. It's like a governmental, you need to do it. It's like I don't know, like they check how the average grade 10 student is in math or whatever. It's complete bullshit. Holy fuck, my hair is a mess. I legit just woke up 30 minutes ago, or like 40 minutes ago. I was like, hey, fuck it, I need to record a video, so let's just brush my teeth and let's just go straight into a video. But also, sorry if my bed isn't made. Fucking my dog is really comfortable and I don't really want to like move him, so yeah, he's legit asleep right now. I let him go to sleep. But anyways, yeah, so it's this governmental assessment that they look at it and you get marks. It's not actually part of your like your math mark, but it does go on your fucking the sheet that shows your marks or whatever. It comes up there, but it doesn't actually affect your math mark. But yeah, I had that yesterday. I legit did not study. I'm not gonna lie. Like I told you, like, you don't kill yourself over like this whole math assessment. It's not like a huge deal. It doesn't like affect your whole mark. But the grade 12 one, that one is a big deal. But this grade 10 one, it's not a huge deal. It kind of matters because universities will kind of look at them, but not look at the grade 12's one, but not too much on the grade 10 one. They kind of just like pinch at it, and that's really it. Yeah, I had mine yesterday. It was complete bullshit. I mean, it's like I didn't do that bad. At least I don't think I did that bad. So yeah, I didn't study at all. Like I didn't really think I would need to. I kind of just looked at the I looked at something, but I didn't actually like study, full on study. There was a lot of unit conversions that you had to do, like a lot, surprisingly. And they always, okay, I'm not even gonna have my headset on. It just fucks me over with this like hoodie on. They say like you don't really need to study because like what we learn in class is what you will like kind of need in the assessment. Fuck no, bro. Like I did, like everything we did in there, I don't really remember what we did. There was definitely like not unit conversions. Oh, well, definitely unit conversions, yeah. And also, oh, and like finding volume and stuff like that. There was a lot of questions with like liquids for some reason. Like, what the fuck are they? They love liquids. Like I had this one where you have to make an ice rink, right? And you have to put water in it, and every minute there's a liter of water, and how many liters? Or no, but they give you how many milliliters would there be in an hour? But it was so weird. Like I'm simplifying it, but like there was like you have to unit conversion centimeters into liters. Like that's a whole different thing. Like liters is like a measurement of water, and then centimeters is a measurement of length. And how the fuck would you unit converge that into, and they ask you for like meters at the end, or like milliliters, or like liters. I don't even fucking remember. I tried to not remember what happened, and I'm not gonna lie. I didn't worry too much about it. Let's go. So yeah, I went in there. They were being, I mean, I understand why you have to be kind of strict about it, because like the cheating shit, but like no one takes this shit seriously. I'm not gonna lie. Like most people, at least in grade 10, maybe in grade 12, they take it seriously, but at least most people in my grade didn't take this shit very seriously. Like no one studied. I didn't study, including me. I didn't really study. Like I know a lot of people didn't study. People just skipped the whole thing. Like it was funny. They were being strict. Like I understand why it's strict, but like no one gives a fuck about this fucking exam. So yeah, they had to do two per table. So like we had a group of 3, and they're like, oh man, you can't do that. You can't do that. I'm like, okay. So one guy had to leave, and I'll go with a random ass dude. Also, the skipping thing I was talking about. So this guy skipped, right? And I think he was in our class. Yeah, he was in our class, right? And there was this kid. So they're like, hey, is this guy in class? Is this guy here? Is this guy here? And this fucking kid says, oh no, he told me this morning he was gonna skip. Bro, you don't fucking say that. You don't say that. And he kept on going with it as well. Like everyone started laughing. Like, bro, like kind of like indicating, bro, you don't say that shit. Like you keep that shit on the low. You don't say, oh yeah, he's skipping. He's a fucking snitch. Hey, I'm glad I'm not friends with him, because then he would like snitch on me for skipping French and careers. I hate careers. Not anymore actually. I switched my seating plan, or my seating place, to these like other guys, and they're fucking, I love them. They're really chill. So I'm actually kind of enjoying careers again. But French isn't that bad, I guess. It's just very boring, but hey, I'll live with it. I probably won't skip that much because I have a good people to sit with now. Before, man, I was sitting with these fucking chess nerds. They love chess, and there was this one like guy with a deep ass voice I didn't like. Ever since I heard his fucking voice, I didn't like. But yeah, good thing I'm not friends with that guy, because he would snitch on me for like skipping careers in French all the fucking time. But yeah, bro, it was hilarious because like, everyone was laughing as well as like, and he kept on going with it, like dude, shut the fuck up, close your fucking mouth. He was like, no, he told me this morning he was skipping, and he was like, and everybody's like, he's like, why are you guys laughing? Why are you guys laughing? He just told me this morning he's gonna skip. Bro, shut the fuck up. And there was also the vice principal there, like I was like, not like, it was basically handling the whole thing. He was like telling us how to get into the website and everything like that, like what's the password and everything like that. Like he was the main person. He's like, the fucking vice principal is right there. You don't say that shit right. Like a teacher, they might not give a fuck. But a principal, they would care definitely. At least I would think so. I don't know. He's pretty chill. I like our I mean our vice principal. That's the only principal I like. We have two vice principals and a main principal. The only vice principal I like is that one guy. The other two people are not my cup of tea. But ooh, wall bang. But yeah, we started the whole exam and everything, the assessment, the governmental assessment that you need to do. Stupid ass shit. Yeah, so as I said, I got this one question about the ice rink. I got four questions. You get four questions, right? And you have to like, there's like mini questions with that question. So there was this, I had a ice rink, and you have to kind of like find it's like put like how long are the sides, how much water can go inside, and then like how many hours it take. There was like if you want to put a tarp over it, how long would it be or whatever. I completely probably just failed that one question because I couldn't even find the height of it. They gave us the diameter, or not the diameter. They gave us the length and the width, and they wanted us to find the height. And I looked the whole, because they give us reference sheet, like, dude, they give us that and that. How am I supposed to find the height? Like, it literally doesn't say. Like, it doesn't say if X is height, where the fuck can you find that? It says, it was like, all the reference they gave us was length times width times height equals area. I'm like, I don't want to find a fucking area. I want to find the height. Like, I legit wasn't given the height. Like, how am I supposed to find how much water can go inside of it when I don't have the fucking height? Because I was gonna try to find a volume, right? And see how much volume can go in the water, or whatever fuck it is. But I didn't have the fucking height, so I didn't have height, so every fucking question was wrong, basically. So that was some bullshit. And then after that, I had a, what was it? It was, oh fuck, I had four questions. It was, okay, so I had an ice rink, I had a 50-50 ticket. The 50-50 ticket was really easy. I love that question. I had a population one. And what was the other one, bro? Ice rink? There was a population one for like Vancouver, Surrey, and everything like that. What was the other one? Fuck, bro. Oh, it was fish. It was fish. And that one was complete bullshit as well. I mean, not as the most bullshit one was definitely the ice rink one. Cause like, how am I supposed to find the fucking volume for liquid into centimeters or whatever? Completely different units. Oh, I missed that. There was the ice rink. Then there was the fish. Then there was the human population and like the mother languages, and then there was the 50-50 ticket. The 50-50 ticket was like probably the best question I had. So the fish one, right? They gave us the mass for the fish, and the like how big the stink box was, like where they put the fish in to get the grease, and they gave us the cooking box as well. And you had to find like how many fish can go into a box or something like that. He gave us the volume for it, dude. It was complete bullshit as well. They gave us this one question, right? Like, Anna's family makes grease or something like that. Like, they make like how many liters of grease, fish grease they make or whatever. And if every elder in that city took 15 milliliters of grease daily, how many would there be in a year, and how much would there be left? I think I got that question right, but like, dude, they make this shit so complicated. When in my life will I be giving 22 elders 15 milliliters of grease for a whole year? Exactly, but I will never. Like, what the fuck? I mean, I understand when they just wanted to see our comprehension for math or whatever. Like, fuck, man, this shit is bullshit. And bro, also, I was doing like 15 questions in, and I heard the bell go. I'm like, oh my god, I had work as well, so I'm like, oh my god, please don't say I'm gonna have to be late for work for this stupid ass fucking exam. I ended up I ended up like being 30 minutes early before the school ended or whatever. So I just kind of walked around because I had math, and like math was the exam, so I could not have like gone to math. I would have gone to math if it was actual math, but no, I couldn't. But yeah, then the next question was the mother languages over like the BC basically. So they gave us like main languages in BC were like French and English. I almost said French and Canadian. Holy fuck. And you get to like kind of like find all the languages and then like put it all in. They get to find the percentages of like how much almost Canadian again. How much English is there in BC? How much like French is there? How much Chinese is there? How much Punjabi is there? Like they usually find the percentages. I think I got that right. I don't know. We'll see. And then there was like how much more Punjabi citizens are there, like talking citizens are there in Surrey than White Rock, and you find how many more are there in Surrey than White Rock, and like shit like that. And then there was like, I mean, that question wasn't as bullshit as like, definitely the most bullshit question was that fucking ice rink, man. But that question wasn't that bad. And then my easiest one was definitely my last question. It kind of went easiest to hardest for me. It went easiest to hardest, definitely. My last question was a 50-50 ticket. So you would buy a ticket for $4, right? And then you would, so every ticket you bought, you had more of a chance, more of a chance of winning. And the winning prize would be, because this is what they do, right? So they get all the money from the tickets, and they do a 50-50 split. 50% goes to a donation, like a charity or whatever, and then the 50% goes towards the winner. So I'm asking like, what would be the split between two people of buying whatever, and then what would be like the reward? So it was like this question, like these 5 people bought tickets, right? And how would be an equal split for how many tickets they bought for this amount of money, So you have to find the percentages, and then like you find how much percentages and how much money each person would have. It sounds really complicated, but like that question honestly wasn't the hardest, at least I think so. I don't know. I mean, I could have just filled the whole fucking thing. And I still can't fucking believe that one kid just said, "Oh yeah, bro, he's skipping. He told me this morning he's skipping," and he kept on going with it for like 5 minutes as well. It was fucking hilarious. It's actually really stupid. Like I agree with like people in our class or people in our grade. Nothing we learned really like helped us in that. Like I guess unit conversions, but like we legit have a reference page that we didn't really need to learn that. I kind of knew that before. I'll update you guys how I did if I actually get my results back. I don't know. Do you guys have that in America? Because if you guys don't know, I live in Canada, right? So like I don't know if you guys have like this governmental assessment they do every like what 3 years, every 4 years for grades and whatever. Because grade 5, grade 7, and grade 10 and 12. And I don't know if you guys do that in America. Like I have no fucking clue. I also have my holy fuck, I can't talk. I also have my literacy assessment. Dude! I also have my literacy assessment in June, and that shouldn't be, I mean, the literacy assessment I remember in grade 5 and grade 7 as well. This shouldn't be that bad. It's legit just reading a fucking article and just talking about it. It's not that hard. Wait, it's the last day of April already? Oh my god, dude, it's going fast. We only have like what, 2 more months and a half left of school? Then it's the summer, and then we're grinding the fuck out of this YouTube shit, man. We're grinding the shit that we're gonna grind the fuck out of YouTube. Hopefully we grow a decent amount over the summer. I remember last year in Cold War, man, we grew fuck ton. Like we legit gained like 200 subs, 300 subs. I don't even remember. But that was some good ass vibes, man. There was summer, it was pitching hot. I had my AC on, bro. I remember it was like you could hear it in my background, bro. It was so loud. Look at Copper, he's still asleep. You guys can see him. Yeah, he's still asleep. Definitely the highlight of the story was that kid saying that, "Oh yeah, bro, he told me he failed.
Look at that.
He told me he was in a skip." Also, that's kind of stupid. Why you shouldn't be skipping an assessment, because then you have to just redo it, and there's no redo, so you have to do it next year with the grade 10s when you're in grade 11. So that's completely fucked. I think, at least. I don't think you can redo it the same year. You have to do it like a different year. Tell me your guys' highlight of the story. Definitely for me was the kid, man. That was fucking hilarious. And like, dude, his butt crack always shows, and he's in my class, right? So he's like he always asks the stupidest questions, man. Like he's definitely special. He also like he goes around thinking he knows his shit, but like he does not know his shit. He goes around trying to help people, but he just gives the wrong answers and shit. That's my story assessment story. Hopefully in grade 12 I'll do better, because I might have done decent, but I don't know. Grade 12, I'll make a story time for grade 12 as well in 2 years. If I still do this YouTube shit. Nah, we will. I'm gonna do this shit till my life ends. All right, bye.